When we walk with the Lord in the light of His word, what a glory He sheds on our way. While we do His good will, He abides in us still, and with all who will trust and obey. Trust and obey, for there's no other way to be happy in Jesus than to trust and obey. The Fiery Furnace, a devotional by Sister Ellen G. White, December 30. But there is a God in heaven that revealeth secrets, and maketh known to the king Nebuchadnezzar what shall be in the last days. Thy dream and the visions of thy head upon thy bed are these. Daniel 2, verse 28. The servants of God did not plead with him in vain. They had honored him, and in the hour of trial he honored them. The secret was revealed to Daniel, and he hastened to request an interview with the king. The Jewish captive stands before the monarch of the most powerful empire the sun has ever shone upon. The king is in great distress amidst all his riches and glory, but the youthful exile is peaceful and happy in his God. Now, if ever, is the time for Daniel to exalt himself, to make prominent his own goodness and superior wisdom. But his first effort is to disclaim all honor for himself and to exalt God as the source of wisdom. The secret which the king had commanded cannot the wise men, the astrologers, the magicians, the soothsayers show unto the king. But there is a God in heaven that revealeth secrets, and maketh known to the king Nebuchadnezzar what shall be in the latter days. The king listens with solemn attention as every particular of the dream is reproduced. And when the interpretation is faithfully given, he feels that he can rely upon it as a divine revelation. The solemn truth conveys this vision of the night and made a deep impression on the sovereign's mind. And in humility and awe, he fell down and worshipped, saying, Of a truth is it that your God is a God of gods, and a Lord of kings, and a revealer of secrets. Verse 47. So, dear friend, be encouraged, for I am a mere mortal. I do not know the things that you face. It might have been that you would have lost a loved one, and there are still questions that have not been answered. It might have been that you are in a certain crisis, whether financial crisis or physical crisis. But I can encourage you, dear friend, that our God is a God who reveals secrets, and our God is a God that have all the answers for each and every situation that we seem impossible. But God's timing is not our timing. So let us trust God and take Him at His word, and know that just like how He has revealed the secret unto King Nebuchadnezzar, He will reveal it unto us. Do have a blessed day in Jesus' name.